The Apple iPhone 14 series is going official in less than 2 months, and we saw CAD images. We saw plastic mock-ups, some case images. And now comes the final metal dummy of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, showcasing a massive 6.75-inch large display, which is larger than the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And you guys can see we have not so huge eye-shape hole. This of course will look hideous on 6.1-inch Pro, but on Pro Max it looks fine. The bezels are getting slimmer, and the second confirmation about all this comes from the official schematics from China. So this is the final look at the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I like it more than the notch finish of 13 series. The rear finish got massive module containing a 48-megapixel shooter, and yes, this again will look hideous on a 6.1-inch model. Some case image is showing off how huge that module is gonna look in the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Max, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. Some images showing off front design, and you guys can see we have notched in non-Pro dual-hole punch in Pro Max. News coming in about the battery size of iPhone 14 series, which may disappoint you all. So if this leak from China is right, Apple plans to use a small mAh battery in the 14 series. So like the 14 Pro Max is coming with 4323 mAh battery, the 13 Pro Max got 4352 mAh, so it is 29 mAh less than last year, not huge. And we all know that a 16 Bionic is coming with an advanced 5nm process. That is like not as far efficient than any 4nm process. So you may see similar battery performance like 13 Pro Max, and iOS 16 is gonna play a huge role in the power efficiency. Shocking news coming in: Apple is expecting the iPhone 14 series to sell way more than the iPhone 13 series, and the initial mass production is going as planned. The report also says iPhone 13 series sales are lower than ever in July-August, cause people are waiting for the iPhone 14 series. The iOS 16 stable launches at around same time. Of course, with that being said, for all the latest updates on the iPhone 14 model, be sure to subscribe, and as always I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.